Hey guys, welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, yes, we are going to be doing a quarantine haircut. It's been a solid 35 odd days since I've been in self-isolation, which means that it is well beyond, any appointment I would have had for nails, they're gone. Lashes, they're gone. And another thing that's been neglected is my trips to the hair salon. My weave has been cut out for about 2.5 weeks now. My roots are a mile long and they're getting longer by the second, and my ends are so dry and dead they are in desperate need of a trim. So my lovely hairdresser Alyssa Wolf, who I've had the pleasure of going to see for like 3 years now for my hair, she's going to be FaceTiming me during this video and walking me through a haircut. Who's ready for a little quarantine cut? So I never thought the day would come that I would make this video, but here we are, and desperate times call for desperate measures, so we're doing what we gotta do to stay fresh. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my nails yet. I wonder if I can make some out of ramen noodles, because if they can fix the sink, can they fix these? We're really gonna have to get creative, and today we are gonna get creative. I'm gonna be FaceTiming Alyssa in a little bit, and she's gonna be walking me through this whole process and holding my hand because Lord knows I need it. All right, let's jump into this video. So we're actually not cutting my hair today, but we are cutting my hair because we are gonna be cutting one of my wigs. She is, I think, like 25 inches long or so. I thought it was time because I got this wig at a time where I had shorter hair. I think I got it when my hair was around shoulder length, and I was really looking for that long hair goals. I really wanted my mermaid hair moment, so I got myself a really cheap synthetic wig. I plucked the hairline myself, and she has definitely stepped in on a couple photo shoots just to give me some length when I didn't have like extensions in or anything. So she's really been there for me. But now that my hair has gotten longer, we're down to like here now, I don't have as much use for her, and I find myself wondering, I wonder what I would look like with shorter hair. So originally, she was purchased to fulfill my long hair fantasy, but now she is gonna be fulfilling my short hair fantasy. And Alyssa's been so amazing and agreed to FaceTime me and walk me through cutting my wig. So I'm gonna FaceTime her right now and we're gonna get started. Quick intermission. So I just want to warn you guys in advance that when you screen record, it does not pick up the audio from a FaceTime call. So we did a learn today, and I apologize in advance for the audio. I tried to enhance the audio as much as I could to make it very clear, but I hope that doesn't take away from the video. Thanks. Okay, I'm ready.
So do you have some hair clips? Any kind of clips?
Yeah, I got my crocodile clips.
Perfect, those are great. So we're gonna start in the back because it's the best place to start for bobs. So as best as you can, try to basically split that in half, like right down the middle.
Okay. So I don't have any actual tools, so what I'm using is actually a dog grooming kit that we picked up from Mars. But it comes with everything. Like, it comes with some really sharp scissors, a great set of, like, a great comb, and then it's got these, I don't know what you call these, they're like thinning shears. They look like this.
Those are thinning shears. Actually really good, because if you have a super dense wig,
yeah,
I'll show you where you can use those underneath to thin out your bob.
Okay.
I'm going to just part this hair, and then I'll show you what I kind of want you to do.
Okay, how clean should my part be?
Well, that's a good question, because on a wig, you're not going to be able to get it exactly dead perfect because of the way that the hair is sewn in, right?
Yeah.
But essentially, you're trying to just section it as best as you can down the middle.
Oh, should I do those extra two or just two?
Well, this is just because the clips I'm using. If you can hold all your hair in your thought clips, perfect.
Okay. Maybe this is the start of my hairdressing career.
Maybe.
You never know.
I think a lot of people are thinking about what they could be doing differently, when we all end up going back to work, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you got that split in half?
Yes.
What's going to happen is that we're going to work on one side first. So what you're going to do is take down one side and then just going to section out about 2 inches in the base here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so like 2 inches up, part it out.
Yeah, exactly. And then section that am cutting. So like I said, I am cutting mine into a shorter bob. So you want your regular scissors, not the TV. Yeah, okay. So you got a comb?
Yes.
Okay, so foolproof way to cut isn't to just cut like this. If you just cut with your fingers and your scissors, the line is just never going to be straight, and you're going to cut forever. So instead, you use your comb, you hold the hair where you want to cut, and you cut below the comb.
In a straight line?
Yes.
Okay.
So you take your comb and you hold it where you want to cut.
Yeah.
Then you start cutting. And see how the comb holds the hair in place?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then it's not running all away from you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Because I'm going to do mine again because I'm going a little bit short still.
Okay, so I've got my comb and I've got a pair of just like regular, really sharp scissors. These are Mars's grooming scissors. They're very, very sharp.
Think of the comb as your ruler.
Okay.
And you're cutting below it.
Think of your comb as your ruler. Oh my god, I just made the first cut! Oh my gosh, I just cut off like 8 inches.
Nice, it's satisfying.
Wow, and the cut is so clean. She's a whole new woman, all her split ends are gone.
Wait, you will be too. So what you're going to do is just let down a little bit more hair, and that cut that you just made becomes what we call your guideline.
Okay.
So now you know exactly where you're cutting every section to. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So basically you drop down another section of hair that you can still see through. You want to be able to see that line underneath it so that you can follow it.
Okay, I see.
So it actually gets easier. The more hair you cut, like the more sections you drop down, it gets easier.
Do you ever comb from like underneath or always from like over top?
I always start at the top and comb it down. If you scoop it up like you were saying,
Yeah.
you're going to cause elevation and you won't have a clean bob line. We're cutting here what we call zero elevation, which means we're cutting where the hair is going to fall,
Yeah.
and that's how you cut a perfect bob. We'll do the front after.
Okay.
But you just keep dropping down sections until all the back is cut on this side.
Okay. This wig has been in storage for so long. It's very naughty.
I know that wig.
You do know this wig. Did you ever cut it?
No, you had already, I think you had already thinned that one out.
I
right?
did, because I was brushing it through and I could see I had like thinned it out before. I don't know how I did it because I did not have thinning shoes back then.
No, I think you went in and just cut out sections of it, if I recall. So you already cut that one. So then by the time we were kind of playing with it, you know, I didn't have to do anything.
I had done my worst.
I think I may have layered the front of it a little bit. I can't remember now.
I was gonna say, because the front pieces look like good. I was like, that's not me. I don't think so. So how has self-isolation been for you? No, you haven't been back in the studio in like how long? 6, 7 weeks?
Yes. Okay, so I think that my timing is definitely a little bit different from others because I was actually away on vacation. So I was traveling through the Caribbean for the first half of March.
Right.
So, and then when I had to go into self-quarantine before everything was like official, which was another 2 weeks. So I technically have not been at work since March 1st. So it's been really weird, I gotta say. And I've just been doing a lot of video content that I didn't actually ever really do before. As you know, I used to always, not shy, because obviously I'm the last person on the earth who could actually be called shy, but I always avoided doing videos. I'm not coming home after working 12 hours to film a video, you know, like it was just too much.
It takes time. It's like a very time-consuming medium.
It does, and editing and song choice, and now I've got nothing but time. So I've been creating a lot of content. It's been really fun.
Is all of your content being published on your Alyssa Wolf Instagram, or where can people find your content?
I'm sharing it all primarily there. So again, that's everything from coloring, I'm doing tutorials,
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my gosh, I actually have time to show people how I choose my outfits. Like, it's been really fun.
My favorite one was when you did your orange hair. Like your
your
sunset hair, yeah. It's like clipped up now, but check it.
Oh, you got a nice lob going on.
Yes.
I like it.
I wanted to do a lob with this one.
I love it. So we're gonna do basically exactly the same thing on the other side. And like I said, it's even easier because now that you already have, again, you have this guideline already cut on this side, you're gonna now just follow through to the other side. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
And just keep taking subsections. It's really important to work with smaller subsections. Don't try to cut it all at once. It'll be really uneven and choppy.
Okay, so I'll take the one side out so I can match it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's move on to cutting the front then, because I've got all the back done. So all that you should be left is with like the front piece sections, right?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is drop down one side of the front.
So section off like the top piece.
Yeah, like just drop out a bottom section like we were doing in the back there, right?
Okay.
There we go. Again, we want to create what we call that guideline, right, for the front. So the front is a little bit trickier. So now instead of just cutting that comb straight across, you're going to actually just take it and tilt it on an angle and cut that line.
Ah.
Get it?
Yes. So smart.
Yeah, so once that's done, you just do like you did in the back and drop down sections and just keep connecting them.
I'm going to show you mine on my
Can you see? Ooh, oh, nice! Oh my god, it's like literally the color of your hair.
Right? That's why I got it.
That's so awesome. But like right now, it's like when you put that on, everyone's gonna think it like it's your hair. I love it.
Thanks, girl.
So,
Yeah.
For your case, you're gonna want to put it on and to see where it's falling.
Yeah.
And now you'll know if you need to balance it out or even take off more.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for your expertise
Absolutely.
and your time. Aside from Instagram, is there anywhere else that people can find you?
Yeah, on Facebook, Hair by Alyssa Wolf. I'm over on there too.
Perfect. All right, you heard her. Instagram, Alyssa Wolf, and Facebook is Hair by Alyssa Wolf. Go follow her for amazing hair content. She does a wide variety of colors and styles. Honestly, you will not be short of content to inspire you, especially right now.
Awesome. Thanks, babe. Happy Sunday.
Thanks, love you. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. I am going to put this wig on. I think I've done a pretty good job. I'm gonna go put this on and show you guys what it looks like. Also, this is all of the hair that I cut, which doesn't look like a lot, but it is so much hair that came off of this wig. But look how good she looks. So this is the end result. We've got a little lob going on, and I am low-key obsessed because this wig is so thick. My hair would never look like this, but it's still fun to live my lob fantasy. And I'm also really impressed with how it turned out. I think the line is like passable. This is coming from someone who has never cut hair. I have no hair experience. The most I've done is like dyed my own hair at home. This was such a big learning curve, but Alyssa was an absolute queen, told me everything that I needed to know. So I completely credit the way this hair turned out to her and her amazing teaching. All right, that is it for this video, you guys. I keep looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, wait a minute, this cut is kind of it. Do I cut my hair this short for real? These days I'm tempted. These days in self-isolation, I'm tempted to make changes, I'll be honest. But this is the end result. I am so obsessed. I can start living my like short hair fantasies now. Also, a huge thank you to Alyssa Wolf for taking the time to do a amazingly helpful FaceTime with me. You can find her on Instagram at Alyssa Wolf or Facebook Hair by Alyssa. I'll leave her links down in the description down below. She is Vancouver based, but I know she does travel. She's an absolutely incredible hair artist, not only a hairdresser, and I would definitely recommend giving her a follow because she shares so much information with her audience. I can never get enough. This has been really fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stayed all the way to the end, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you do want to see more videos like this, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.